Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alice Blue channel. In today's video, we will see an overview of 1Option. This application is provided by Alice Blue and is totally free. It has many features where we can do a complete analysis of options. Before starting, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications of our upcoming videos. To log into the 1Option, you first need to log into your Alice Blue account. For that, you have to enter your user ID and password. After entering the password, you will have to submit the OTP here. The OTP will be sent to your registered email ID and number. As soon as you enter the OTP here, it asks for authentication. For authentication, you can use your fingerprint here. After giving the authentication, the risk disclosure and some information of derivatives comes here, which you have to proceed. As soon as you log in, you get the homepage of 1Option, where multiple customization and many other things can be seen. Here, you also get many pre-built strategies which are given according to bearish, neutral and bullish market. Let's understand the UI here in a better way. If you look at the top side, there are options for Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty and a search bar. Here, you can directly go to Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty and can build up strategy of options there. And along with that, in case you want to search for a particular stock or for that particular stock you want to build a strategy, we can do it over here. Like when I click on search, I get some predefined searches here where I can do my selection. Let's say I want to go for SBI. After selecting SBI, I'll get the rate of SBI. This means whatever strategy I build, it will be applied for SBI. And now as you can see, SBI has a bearish trend here. I'll go to bearish and here I can develop multiple strategies. And along with that, I can add strategies here according to my own preferences. Like, let's say I want to build a strategy here, then simply I will click on add here. As soon as I click on add, I will get the strike price and expiry here. And along with the expiry, I can also select the quantity. And here I can build a strategy. Let's say I want to buy a call here. And here I can build one more. Let's say I want to buy a call here. After clicking done, I will get the built-in strategy. And at the bottom here, payoff simulation is given, where I can select any strategy and its payoff will be shown here. Here I will get the type, along with that profit and loss. It will be shown here. Here it will tell me the risk to reward ratio and I will also get to know the break-even point here. So this is all about the homepage. Let's see some other options, like here is option chain. Option chain is also very integrated here, and here you can configure chain. Means here you can decrease the number of strike prices, and the number of strike prices you can also increase here. Along with this, you get the premiums of options at the strike prices of add the money here, and how much OI has changed, that is in percentage, plus how much OI has changed, that numerical also you will see here. Let's do some more configuration. Like here, the Greeks, you can customize them here. Like here, I want delta and gamma. So simply I will click on delta and gamma and I will apply here. If we are not able to see delta and gamma on the screen, you just have to swipe here. As soon as you swipe here, you can compare volume, delta and gamma in a strike price wise. This is very good feature where you can compare the Greeks with each other and you can understand the Greeks against the strike price. Again, I will go to configuration and let's say now I want here gamma and here vega. So simply I will click on gamma and vega and here I will apply, and according to that I will get gamma and vega here. You can see here I get a great view where I can purely focus and I can analyze some Greeks. I can compare them. Let's say if I want to compare OI, then simply I will swipe here and here OI will come in front of me. And strike price base here. The OI changes I can compare here. And along with that, if I want the last traded price also, I'll get it over here. Below the option chain, here is an option for basket is shown. Let's say I want to add something in the basket. You can also directly buy and sell here from the option chain. Let's say here I want to buy. So I have added it to the basket for buying. And here I want to sell it. So I have added it to the basket. At the bottom here, your basket will be created. Again, as soon as I swipe here, my trade will be executed and in my account it will be deployed. Along with that, let's say I want to build a strategy. Let's say I want to buy this option here. And above that price, let's say I want to sell this option here. So here, I will also add the strike price for sell. And according to that, I will again get the payoff simulation. Here, I will be able to see the maximum profit and maximum loss here. Along with that, the break-even point will also come, from which I can estimate where my break-even point is and what action should I take. And in this way, you can work on different scripts. From option index to option stock, all flexibilities are available here and you can easily trade here. As soon as your position is executed, you can go to the position and track it, like what is your PNL and what is your M2M currently. And according to that, if you have a margin shortfall or a margin available, All the details will be provided here. Here, the option of order is also available, where you can check the execution of all the strike prices. Here, we can also aggregate all the orders. Like if you go and click on all orders, then it will show you all the orders. In executed, you will get the only executed orders. In pending orders, you will get whatever pending orders you have. And here, you will get all the rejected orders. So like this, we can check all the orders we have filter wise. Let's move forward and see what is there in the screeners. As soon as I click on the screener, here I get multiple options, where I can filter the activities of the stock market based on screeners. Meaning here I have candlestick, screeners and technical indicators, according to which I can filter out the stock. Let's say here I want to filter out by simple moving average 20. As soon as I click on the 20-day moving average, I will get the 1-day cross up or cross down over here. And we can aggregate it more over here. Let's say I go to the time frame drop down, where we can set a filter to only allow a minimum time frame of 5 minutes. And you will get the stock filtered out. Not only this, here as we have seen only the technical indicators on the screener, in the same way we can also identify the candlestick here. Let's say here I want to identify the shooting star chart pattern. All stock displaying the shooting star pattern will be listed here. Similar to screeners found on other platforms, though those are typically paid services. But over here you get it totally free. After applying the screeners, if you want to reset it, then just click on the reset button. And as soon as you click on reset, all the stock will be removed from here. Your entire screener will be resetted. Based on the candlestick, screener and technical indicators, you can do multiple filterings over here. According to the filter for the current day or for the current view, all the stocks will be filtered and will come in front of you, where it will be very easy for you to take a trade. One more thing, which we will see in the profile option. As soon as we click on the profile here, an option of calculator will be there. This is a very great option where we can calculate a lot of things like pivot points, Fibonacci or pricing for the option. I hope you have a better understanding of 1LyOption platform over here. Again, as said, if you have an Alice Blue account, then you can take the services of 1LyOption for free, and in a very great manner you can plan your trading in option. And I hope you will like these services from Alice Blue. To watch more such videos, subscribe to Alice Blue YouTube channel. Thank you.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.